So today I'm going to show you a review of my stand-up shower. So here we go. Here's my stand-up shower. This is a glass door. And it's really glassy. Like I need to slide gently so the glass can be safe. Here's another side I can go through, but that will go over the toilet. Doesn't look nice. We mostly go through there when we take a shower and I do it. That's how it works. The holder goes here, then glue, then the glass goes like that. Here's this shower glass. Looks pretty cool. Good design from Home Depot. And here's right there, so it shows a good position. Pretty dope. And here's the Rainfall Shower. Here's a shower box. And here's a watermelon shampoo. That's where people can put their stuff. That's where people can put their scrubber at. Here's that turn on the shower. So I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. So yeah, and here's the glass. The good glass. The wall design looks pretty cool. Good texture. So yeah. Here's the shower. On the Rainfall Shower. That's a glass door. It opens. And I can go in the shower, so let's go inside. Yep. So, stand up shower. Good glass door. Looks like that I'm in jail, but I'm actually not. Here's the texture. That's where the water goes. So now I'm gonna show you how to on the shower. In here, it's a switch. So I'm gonna start from there. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. That's how the shower goes. It's actually cold water. Blue means cold. It goes down to there. It's green. It's normal. Yeah. Blue, it changes color automatically. In red is hot. Okay. Yep. The shower, the rainfall shower. In red is hot, but I don't want to show you guys because I don't want to waste all the water. And it goes down like that. The rainfall shower. Red is hot, blue is cold, and green is normal. So it looks pretty cool. Like, it's cool. So yeah, that's the rainfall shower. Looks like I'm in the rain. Looks pretty dope. So yeah. Yep. Looks pretty cool. Red is hot. Blue is green. Blue is cold, and green is regular. So it's hot. But I don't want to show you guys because I don't want to waste the much. That's how the rainfall. Yep. Because it will take a while to get to that point, and I don't want to show you guys. So yeah, it's pretty cool. There you go. And red is hot, so yeah. And that's a shower box where I can put all my stuff in there. Yeah, it looks pretty dope shower. So yep. And that's a rainfall. And to that turn on, I sweat. But I don't want to do anymore because I already did enough. And yeah, so that's about the stand-up shower. So yeah. I suppose let me show one more time though. I don't want to because I already showed you. So red is hot. That's it, because I don't want to do it again because I don't want to waste water. It gets too much annoying and I don't want to do that. So I show you the rain. At least I show you the rainfall shower. So it goes down just like it's just raining. So it's the rainfall shower. The middle is where I can move to there. Oh man, yeah. the middle is okay because that's where I mostly take the shower, so yeah. So, that's it. I think that's it. So, get out, shower. So here's the stand-up shower. And it's right there. So, Rainfall Shower. Red is hot, blue is green, and blue is cold, and green is regular. My mistake, but the red one, I don't need to show it to you guys because it'll take a while, and I don't want to keep doing it again. It gets really annoying. But at least I showed the rainfall. So yeah. So that's it about the stand shower. So like the video and subscribe. I guess have a good night.